Welcome to another guided meditation. If this is your first time with us, then this is going to be less than a 10-minute guided meditation that I'm going to do with you. If you're coming here again, then I thank you for your presence. It's always a joy to see old friends come back into this meditation room and do this with me as we prepare ourselves for the day, the week, or maybe just wind down before we go to bed at night. If this is your first time, then this will be a guided meditation where I'll guide you through. I would appreciate if you're not driving or walking or doing something that might cause difficulty, as I request you to close your eyes. To subscribe to the channel and get updates to our regular videos, let's get into the meditation for today now. I want you to just settle down into the seat that you're on. You could be sitting cross-legged, or you could have your feet on the ground. Just gently close your eyes, either softly or you can close them all the way. जैसे ही हम आंखों को बंद करते हैं, चाहे हम softly कर रहे हैं, चाहे हम all the way इनको close करते हैं, our mind starts to give some thoughts. The mind starts to wander. I don't want you to embrace any thoughts. I don't want you to resist any thoughts. I just want you to be present to you, to these thoughts, and to whatever is happening in your environment right now. You can possibly listen to some sounds. Some might be nearby. Some might be at a distance. Just stay with them. Meditation is a place where you don't have to resist anything. You don't have to embrace anything. You're just trying to be there in the moment, in the beauty of this moment. We'll start by taking a few deep breaths, where we'll inhale through the nose, try to stop at the top, and then exhale out through the mouth. Let's do it together. Inhale. Stop at the top and exhale. Let's inhale. Stop at the top. Exhale. Let's do one more inhale. Stop at the top. Exhale. You can let your breath go back to its normal rhythm. As you're sitting here in this moment, I want you to start to think that there is a spark, maybe a candle, a beautiful light that I can see right within you. It is right now present in your heart, in your chest cavity. आपके heart की जो chest cavity है आपकी, उसके अंदर एक छोटी सी beautiful सी candle है, the flame of which is burning beautifully. As you focus on that candle, the flame starts to expand. The flame starts to get brighter and brighter and brighter. The flame now becomes large enough that your whole chest cavity is radiating with its glow. It expands further through every part of your body, and now every part of your body radiates and glows with the warmth and the light of that flame that started within you. The light expands further to cover the room, to expand into the apartment, the house, the city you're a part of. The light touches everyone and everything that comes on your way as the light expands. It energizes, warms, and helps every being find their own light as your light touches theirs. The light expands to cover the whole country, to cover the whole world that you're a part of. The whole of our planet now radiates with the light that started from right within you. The light expands further beyond the planet throughout this universe. It is your light, the light that started from right within you. वो रोशनी जो आपके अंदर से शुरू हुई, अब पूरे ब्रह्मांड को, the whole universe now basks in the glory of that light. With a smile on your face, just enjoy the presence of this light. Just enjoy the warmth of this light. We will stay with this light for the next 1 minute. And then with the same energy, I'll invite you back into our room. We slowly start to invite that light back in from the universe to our planet, to our country, to our city, to our house, and right back into our chest cavity. With that whole energy, we now will open our eyes and come back to this room, re-energized, rejuvenated, and ready to face the world. Whenever you're ready, feel free to open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you for staying on with me through this meditation. I hope you derive some value from these meditations. I really enjoy doing them for you. And yeah, let's continue to meet each other every now and then. Feel free to bookmark this video and yeah, just reuse it for your meditations if you want to practice it every day. The best way to do that, I would say, is just put an alarm on your phone, on your computer, on your calendar, whatever works for you. जो भी तरीका आपके लिए काम करता है. Just put an alarm and make sure that 10-minute is all yours. It all belongs to you, and you can invite me into that space so that I can lead you through meditation. Meditation is one way that has worked for me over the years to help me stay sane in this mostly insane world that we live in. I'll see you later. And if you're still not subscribed, then do subscribe to the channel and stay with yourself for the next few minutes before you go back to the world.